What's up everybody, my name is Dwight and welcome back to GeForce Garage. Today we built a stunning gaming rig for streamer Soleil Wheeler, more widely known as FaZe Ewok. So Ewok is a 14-year-old Fortnite pro and the first female member of FaZe Clan. She's also a very prominent streamer, having earned the Golden Joystick Award for Best New Streamer in 2019, and making Forbes 30 Under 30 for 2020. Her streaming rig was definitely due for an upgrade, so we worked with modder Larry Anderson to build a custom PC just for her. Let's go pay the Wheelers a visit.
Hey everyone, my name is Soleil. Many people know me as Ewok. I'm 14 years old and I'm a gamer. When I was about 8 years old, I started playing games on the Wii, and then later on my dad got me an Xbox and I really enjoyed playing that. And eventually I got into gaming online through the PC and I had a ton of fun with those games. I thought they were so cool. After a while I got into streaming and I really enjoyed getting people to watch me and getting to chat with all of them, and everything's taken off from there. With my current PC, I've been experiencing some issues with it crashing. And it's been good until recently, but it's become more of a struggle. So I just found out I'm getting a new PC from GeForce Garage and I am so excited. I can't wait to see it.
So some of you will recognize Larry from his recently featured Death Star PC, and it was his idea that sparked this project. Let's go see how it all started. So Larry, what was your inspiration behind this build?
I was inspired by Ewok. She's a well-known gamer and I've known her father for quite a long time. About 2 years ago, she asked me to build a PC for her with average PC games or average use, but she used it a lot. It was almost daily and she was doing a lot of streaming, so it overheated quite a bit. Sometimes it would crash. So we thought, what about water cooling? And so I thought I could go ahead and build a new one, and I thought I could match the theme colors that she has, and that's where I went.
So what sort of modifications did you do to the case?
The ITX case came black and white. I really liked the open chassis, but I felt I needed to add some color, especially with Ewok's color scheme. So I sent it in to get a powder coating. It ended up looking really good with the aqua blue, with the purple. And I did the tubing and all the sleeving for all the cables just to make it more inspiring.
Was there any difficulty in working in this case?
The ITX is rather compact. It's a little bit challenging. I like a challenge. It's small, you know, I got kind of big hands, so it's hard to get in there. I had 2 radiators in the ITX, which is not something you often see. Usually it's one. Trying to get the tubing in exactly right and making everything run in parallel. There's a lot of black cables and wires inside. I tried to keep those as hidden as possible. Most that I wanted to show were the cables with the sleeving on them, so it ended up looking really good.
I noticed that you mounted a distribution plate from Barrow in there.
I wanted to see the water cooling loops. Usually there's a reservoir in there, so I was thinking having that cooling plate, we're able to see it better.
Well, it looks great, but what are the actual specs of the PC?
For the case, we have the Antec Striker. The motherboard is the Asus ROG Strix Z390. For the CPU, we have an i7-9700K. We have 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. And for the GPU, we have the GeForce RTX 2080 Super. And it's powered by an 850 watt PSU from Corsair. The water cooling is mostly EKWB with Primo chill fittings and a pump kit. And finally, a custom GPU backplate from V1 Tech.
Well, those are some killer specs. Let's go see what Ewok thinks.
All right, let's go.
Oh my god! That's so cool! I love the pink and the blue and the purple. It's all so great. Oh, look at all the lights in there. I love it. When I first saw the PC, I was amazed and I feel so very honored. I thought it looked so cool. What stood out to me about the PC was how awesome the colors looked, how the blue and the purple and the pink really pop. And also it was really cool that my logo's on there. And also I think it's so great that we're not gonna have to worry about the overheating issue anymore. Thank you so much. Seriously, thank you so much.
Soleil, thanks for having us. Enjoy your new rig. Everyone check her out at mixer.com/Ewok. Larry, amazing work. Also, thanks to Intel, Corsair, EKWB, and V1 Tech for helping us make this happen. If you guys enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button down below. We'll see you for the next one.